Are you tired of feeling run down or catching every bug? I'm sharing 5 simple ways to boost your immune system naturally. Let's get started. Your immune system is your body's first line of defense. While there's no magic cure, simple habits can make a big difference. Stick around for tip number 5. Tip number 1. Drink more water. Staying hydrated is crucial for flushing out toxins. Aim for at least 8 glasses daily. Pro tip. Start your morning with a glass of warm lemon water to support your immune system. Next up, prioritize sleep. Getting 7 to 9 hours of quality rest is crucial for your body's repair processes. Create a bedtime routine. Dim the lights and avoid screens an hour before bed. Tip 3. Add immune-boosting foods. Think citrus fruits, spinach, garlic, and yogurt. Tip 4. Manage your stress. Chronic stress can weaken your immune system. Even 10 minutes of relaxation can make a difference. And finally, tip 5. Stay active. Regular exercise boosts your immune system.